The biggest learning from this whole learning. I hope there is no thoughts, nothing. How many of you felt like for a moment only you came into the present moment? तो एक पल तो ऐसा होगा कि हाँ, there is no past, no future. You are there in that present moment. Huh? There is no thoughtlessness is there. How many of you felt like that? Okay, quite a few. Great. Anything else, Alok?
Yes, there is something like nothingness during the sessions.
Yeah.
When we start from Soham and going in between the Soham, from there we get into a different zone.
Yes.
The emotions started coming out, laughter and kind of tears in closed eye. That was something totally different
And how's
from
your state of
meditation.
mind
What happened?
now?
Sorry, sir, please
How are you
explain.
feeling right now?
Yeah, I'm feeling relaxed,
Very
totally like I've just woke up from sleep.
Deep sleep. Great. Okay. So,
Thank you, sir.
okay. Yes. Who else would like to share his views after Sudarshan Kriya?
Hello, good morning, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Boliye.
Yes, I am in my working place. Anyway, I could only watch the things. Some things I couldn't practice, but the home I will practice.
Okay.
Yesterday, I felt more relaxed and I developed more patience towards my daughter. Usually, I'll be scolding her often. Yesterday, everything went peacefully. So, thanks for the session, sir.
So nice. So you know what we will going to do today, yesterday and today we did Sudarshan Kriya. Tomorrow you are so lucky. Tomorrow we will going to teach you how to do Sudarshan Kriya at your own place. Yeah. So tomorrow and day after tomorrow, we will practice Sudarshan Kriya, like this state of mind, the state of calmness, peace, relaxation, the present moment, how we can experience this for a longer period of time. And we will be able to practice this Sudarshan Kriya every day. Huh? Good, na? Tomorrow we will going to learn how to do Sudarshan Kriya by our own. So nice. Okay. Yes, anybody else would like to share a few things? How's your experience?
peace of mind and positive energy.
Yeah, so nice. So when we are at peace, then only we will be able to make our team peaceful. Then only we will be able to give that direction to our team. Okay. Anybody else?
Varunji, I have felt vibrations throughout my body. I mean, certain portions which we don't often think there are any, movements are there, but yet certain vibrations were there in the legs, in the arms, back.
How many of
I
you felt
relaxed.
vibrations? Yeah, how many of you felt vibrations throughout the body? Face, some tickling sensations. How many? How many? Oh, quite a few. So you know what is this vibrations and how the vibration? This is nothing but the flow of oxygen. You know, as per Norway University, Oslo University, they did a research on Sudarshan Kriya. That while doing Sudarshan Kriya, even a single cell, one each and every cell of the body get rejuvenated. Yeah, when we do Sudarshan Kriya, each and every cell of the body gets energy, and the flow of energy is so much that the body start vibrating. This vibration is nothing but the flow of energy. Yeah, and you know you will be glad to know that there are more than 700 research papers filed on Sudarshan Kriya. Many universities are doing research on Sudarshan Kriya. Recently, during Corona, COVID, WHO has recommended that we should do Sudarshan Kriya, because while doing Sudarshan Kriya, if you practice Sudarshan Kriya for 10 days, 15 days, 20 days, you will going to see that your immunity will increase by 5 times. This is as per WHO. And you know, again, the Oslo University said, if you do Sudarshan Kriya for 40 days, Even the problems in the DNA can also be cured. Like somebody say mother has blood pressure, father has sugar, वो बच्चों में भी आ जाता है ना, those things can also be cured. It is very magical, very simple, see, but very magical process. So tomorrow we will going to learn how to do Sudarshan Kriya by our own. Yes. And there are, you can see, you can AIIMS Delhi, they are using Art of Living teachers for their oncology department for this cancer patients. It is recommended for them to do Sudarshan Kriya every day, because when we do Sudarshan Kriya, whole body get rejuvenated, the flow of oxygen increases. It has numerous benefits. And अब मेरे को बोलने की क्या जरूरत है, आप लोगों ने खुद ही अनुभव कर लिया है इस चीज को. Yes or no? Yeah, starting from emotional level to physical level, अब देखोगे it will going to give a lot of benefit. Yes. So now we'll take a break and we'll see you at what time? What time? 2:30 is okay? No, 3.